Hello guys, welcome back. So today my husband went to the store to get this fresh produce and he decided to help me wash it and pack them. So this particular day I was not in the house and he was with the baby. So guys, see how my husband helped me in the kitchen. I always say this, I'm so lucky and blessed to have a supportive man in my life, because I don't know what I would have done in this abroad here, because it's not easy to be a mother, it's not easy to be a student, and it's not easy to be a wife. But my husband has made it so easy for me. This day he was with the baby and he went to the store to get these things and he decided to wash it. And guys, I have to stop talking so that you guys will see how beautiful and nice he spent his time in the kitchen. So keep on watching. see what I'm talking about. See how nice and beautiful he has gotten time to do this. And in the same way, he's also supporting my YouTubing because he videoed it for me to post it, and I'm so happy. Aside the posting, he's really good because he helps me a lot in everything that I do. And what I would say is thank you so much, babe. And also to the women or the ladies out there, if you're looking for a man to marry, or if you want to settle down, don't just look for the looks or the handsomeness of the guy. Check everything. How does the man cope with the parents, especially behave towards the mom, the sisters? When you people are dating, what are some of the things the guy do so that that will make you fall in love? Or maybe it's not always about love, it's not always about the looks, it's about how supportive the guy is, how respected the guy is, where the guy is coming from, how does he relate to the family members, or how does he see women or support women. All these are some of the features or the things that women we need to look for before we settle down. Because my husband is like, I don't know, from day one till now, he has never changed. The only thing that he has really improved is the kitchen. He loves to cook nowadays, but for this type of things, he really helps a lot. So thank you for watching, and if you've watched up to this time, thank you so much.